Giddy Airbus A330s could soon feature lower deck sleeping accommodation. The lower deck modules would slot into an aircraft's cargo compartment and could be easily installed and removed. Designers say the berths offers new opportunities for additional services to passengers, improving their experience while enabling airlines to differentiate and add value for their commercial operations. The new passenger modules will be easily interchangeable with regular cargo containers during a typical turnaround if required. Airlines will initially be able to choose from a catalog of certified solutions by 2020 on A330 for retrofit and line-fit markets. Airbus/Zodiac model of the proposed aircraft sleeping pods and improved passenger experience is today a key element of differentiation for airlines. Cristoforo Bernardini. Airbus and Zodiac said the sleeping berths would not only improve passenger comfort but would let airlines add value for their commercial operations. Jeff Binner, the head of Airbus's cabin and cargo program, said, "This approach to commercial air travel is a step change towards passenger comfort. We have already received very positive feedback from several airlines on our first mock-ups. Giddy Airlines could opt to introduce the sleeping modules to their planes." Cristoforo Bernardini, head of Zodiac's aerospace cabin division, said the project reaffirms our expertise in lower deck solutions. He said, "An improved passenger experience is today a key element of differentiation for airlines." He said it will be up to airlines that buy the modular cabins to decide how much they will charge their passengers, but Zodiac sees the space as an add-on to a normal ticket but expects fares to fall between economy and premium economy prices. The sleeping units cannot be sold as standalone options because aviation regulations state passengers have to be in seats during takeoff, landing and taxiing. In November 2016, Air France-KLM had put forward the idea of sleeping berths for passengers in economy class, either in the hold or above the cabin in aircraft of the group's new low-cost subsidiary, June.